Hi friends, good morning and welcome to this new video of story writing. It is also a part of writing skill section of English language paper. It is basically for class 9, 10, 11 and 12 students. This question comes to these classes. So in this question they have to develop a story on the given points or in the given information in the question. So they have to create a nice and short story in which they can develop some nice moral or nice content. For that, they have to follow certain rules and regulations for developing a nice or interesting story. So, in this video, friends, I would tell you what is story writing, marking scheme of story writing, important tips to write a good story, and some important points which help you out to develop an interesting and great story according to the given theme in the question. So let's begin. What is exactly a story writing? Story writing is one of the creative arts uh, which portray your feelings, your imaginations on a piece of paper. For that, you have to be bit imaginary and you have to take a kind of topic which will give some moral to the society. In this way, you can create a good story. Now, let's discuss the marking scheme. Marking scheme of the story includes 1 mark is for title and moral, 4 marks is for content, and 5 marks includes expression, which has got grammar, spelling, theme, plot, and many more things. So, this is the marking scheme of story writing. Now, let's discuss some important and valuable tricks or points which help you out to develop a small, short, and interesting story. So, let's start. First of all, your characters should be less. Keep few characters, 2 or 3 characters. Don't mess up with more characters, which is going to make your story confusing for the reader. Next, develop characters for theme. So you have to develop or generate characters as per your theme given in the question. Next, single or short time frame. Develop a short story which will finish in a short time frame. Clear surroundings. Have a clear surroundings. One, write a story in such a way one should be able to imagine what the picture of the surroundings easily. Next, catchy first line. You have to create inquisitiveness in the mind of the reader through your first line. It should generate a question in the reader's mind, what next? So the moment you generate the question in the reader's mind, it will help you out to captivate his attention for the entire story. Next, choose suitable point of view. Your point of view should be suitable and try to keep your point of view positive. It will help you out to generate very nice story. Next, one conflict only. Yes, story should have some turning point or conflict. So there has to be conflict which gives the turning point to your story and which reaches towards the moral of the story. Then intense but real conflict. Your conflict should look real and intense. Then theme in focus. Try to focus the theme, what is the theme of your story, and you have to go according to your theme. Then break rule if needed. If there is any need to break the rule, then you can break the rule and go beyond it to give a beautiful end to the story. If it is not required, then there is no need. You can develop a story within a frame. That would be great for you. So these are some important tips for story writing. Now let's discuss main points which will help you out to develop or design a nice story. The narrative should be in first, second, or third person. So basically, a story is a narrative event. So it should be first person, second person, or third person, right? So this is how you can develop first person I, second person you, and third person he, she, it. They you can take it. All the information should be imaginary. So make your information should be imaginary, and it should be helpful for the reader to imagine the situation. If he is able to imagine the situation and come to the conclusion, then that means you have written a nice or interesting story. It will help you out to get good marks from the examiner or evaluator. Then dialogue should be meaningful. You have to create meaningful dialogues. You might have heard or you might have read the story of Julius Caesar, Ozymandias. So these are the stories. They are very nice, and they have got very catchy dialogues, which reader remembers for a long while. So you have to you can go for pre-reading these types of story, which will enhance your vocab and give you some interesting dialogues which you can include in your story. Then figure out main and sub characters. You have to figure out main and sub characters. Then plot of the story should be interesting. Make an interesting plot of your story. The word limit should be not crossed. Word limit will be given in the question. You have to read the word limit and try to frame your story within the word limit. Don't cross it. Then stories are always written in past tense. Always remember, friends, it is a narrative event. So try to write a story in past tense. And from my end, I would like to say that design of small sentences, design small sentences which help you out to develop a nice, interesting story without grammar error. Here, I would like to tell you a small story which will help you out to get the point how to frame short sentences. So let's listen to this story very carefully. Once upon a time, there were three friends met at a place. Their names were education, wealth, and character. They enjoyed all the day. They had fun. Evening came. The education said, "Friends, I will leave. I am leaving now. If you want to meet me, come to colleges, schools, and universities." Then wealth also said, "Friends, I am also leaving now. If you want to meet me, come to rich people, moneylenders, or people those who have got wealth." But education was sitting quietly. Then, uh, but character was sitting quietly. Then education and wealth said, "Friend, why are you not leaving?" Then character said, "Friends, if I go from someone's life, I would never come back again." The moral of the story is, don't lose your character is the moral of the story. And the title of the story is Three Friends. So this is how you have to generate a small and sweet and interesting story which should have moral and good title as well. So if you generate these types of stories, if you write these types of stories, definitely, friends, you will get good marks in this question of writing skill section. You can go for reading. If you read stories, if you read around 10 to 25 stories, you will get an idea and you can write good stories. And you can for interesting stories, you can go to online websites, online channels. There are many interesting stories with animations. You can watch them, you can listen to their contents, their senses, right? And do make a check. The once you write a story, take a minute or 2 minutes, just read a story and correct your grammar and spelling mistakes. This will save your marks otherwise your marks would be cut. Sometimes it happens we write a story and what happens, we make grammar errors, spelling errors. So if you check your work before proceeding to the next question, you can correct many mistakes yourself. So this will save your marks. So these are the informations which I have for story writing. So follow these points, these tips and tricks, and develop good stories, interesting stories. You can write around 5 6 stories for a practice, and you will get an idea how to write a story. Make sure friends do follow past tense, because many students they fumble up while writing a story in tense. So you have to use past tense while writing a story. This is a good tip from my end. I am sure you have enjoyed this video of story writing. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest information or latest notifications of videos on your screen on your cell phones. Please share these videos with your friends and loved ones. If you have any doubt, you can write down on comment section. I'll speak to you there. So thanks for watching this video, friends. Have a nice day. Bye bye and happy learning.